Ça, tu vas bien? T'as mal ou pas? Eh, touche pas la moto, touche pas la moto. Je vais te donner mon numéro, je vais te donner mon numéro. Viens, on va sur le côté. Je peux pas passer là. Ah, c'était vert pour toi?
Moi bien, call police station.
Le fil était vert.
Il était vert pour qui?
Pour vous?
Pour moi?
Oui, monsieur.
Donc je suis pas en tort?
Non. Non. Voilà, c'est ça qu'il dit.
C'était en rouge pour toi, hein?
Non, mais
non, moi je n'étais pas en tort.
Vert pour lui.
What?
Je me suis arrêté.
Speak English. What do you want?
It was green for you.
Yeah, green for me, yeah.
No, it was green. No, green is not color.
Yeah.
It was red for you, green for me. It's what he said.
Bueno, come tranquilo, bueno, you stop, bueno, what is that?
Don't touch my bike.
Oh, no problem, no touch with your bike.
No. It was red for you.
For me,
Green
no
for
problem,
me.
yeah.
Green for me. You should not.
Tranquilo, bueno, go tranquilo.
You should not cross the
Take
street.
beer, take knife.
You should not.
Take knife.
You should not.
Take knife.
You should not. You should not cross the street.
Kill you now. Kill you now.
You should not cross the street.
Bueno, come tranquilo.
You won't call the police?
Call the police, fuck police.
You won't call the police?
Yeah.
You are wrong.
Motherfucker, go.
You are wrong.
Go.
Don't touch me.
Go.
Don't touch the bike.
Wallah, take knife, kill you.
What do you want? What you will do?
What you do, bueno, go tranquilo.
What you will do? What's your problem? What's your
Just say
problem?
sorry.
What's your problem?
Bueno, say
What's your
sorry.
problem?
Say sorry, finish.
You are wrong. You are wrong.
Just say
You are
sorry.
wrong.
Just
I
say
don't
sorry.
give a fuck. Just get out of here.
Go you here, fuck you.
What's your fucking problem, bro? Get the
Go,
fuck
you
out of
go.
here. Get the fuck out of here.
Go.
Get the fuck out of here.
Fuck you.
You wanna get on my bike?
Fuck your
What's your
back,
fucking
bueno.
problem? You wanna kill you, bitch?
Kill
You
you.
wanna kill you, bitch? You wanna kill you, bitch?
You kill
What
you.
is your fucking problem? Now what? Now what? Now what? Get the fuck out of here, bitch! Get the fuck out of here, bitch!
Fuck you.
What you gonna
Fuck
do?
you.
What you gonna do, bitch?
Go.
What? You wanna kill you, bitch?
Bitch, you
Don't
bitch.
fucking touch
You
me!
bitch.
Don't fucking
Motherfucker.
touch me! Don't fucking touch
You
me!
fuck you.
Don't fucking touch me!
Afghanistan,
Don't
take
fucking touch me!
Kill you, wallah,
Don't
kill you.
fucking touch me!
Motherfucker.
Get the fuck out of here, bitch!
Fuck you,
Get the
bitch.
fuck out of here, bitch!
Hey, let's go. Il t'appelle là-bas, là.
Go. Take knife,
Non,
go.
c'est pas toi de lui dire de partir, mon frère. Laisse-lui. Laisse tomber.
Petite p***.
Laisse tomber. Il a donc...
Don't fucking touch my butt, bro!
Go.
Wanna fucking kill you, bitch! Wanna fucking kill you, bitch! Wanna fucking kill you, bitch! Motherfucker, bitch! I fuck you now, bitch! Come! Come to me, bitch!
Il te fera rien du tout.
Je vais niquer sa mère!
Il est en tort. Laisse tomber. Il est en tort. Lui,
Prends le truc, vas-y.
Ah, c'est bon.
lui, il était lancé. Il a traversé, là. Lui-même, il foncé. Ouais.
Tu me donnes une claque, mon frère.
Mais je l'ai dit. Non. Il a
Vas-y.
Recule. Laisse tomber.
Ah, c'est bon, je vais m'en aller.
Vas-y.
Merci, chef. Merci. Merci.
On a tous parlé à celui qui a raison.
Bah oui. Vous avez bien fait, parce que moi, j'ai pas vu. Vu que tout le monde avançait.
J'étais là. Je me suis arrêté, lui, il a traversé.
Il va commencer à vous casser les couilles.
Bah oui.
Il cherche l'argent. Voilà.
Bah oui, il veut les assurances. J'aurais dû lui en sa mère à ce bâtard.
C'est bon.
Merci les gars. Il a cru quoi lui? Il a cru quoi Fuck you, man. The fuck, dude?
Uh-oh, retard alert. Retard alert, class.
I'm in my lane. Fuck you. God. Why don't people pay attention? Fucking idiot, man.
A few moments later.
Fuck you, bitch. Are you kidding me? Fuck you. God, one after another. Come on, man. Bruh. Use your mirror, man. God damn, dude. Fuck that. Fernie. Dude. Fernie. Oh, Fernie. Dude. Jesus. Put your phone down.
W sumie miałem jeździć i nie gadać, ale dostałem parę pytań. Chcesz mnie zabić? Kurwa.
Whew, that was close. She did not look. No, fuck off! You're on camera, so fuck off! You pulled out in front of me, it's all on camera. Get back!
Fucking idiot!
Get back!
Fucking idiot!
Get back!
You're right. You're a fucking idiot.
No, you pulled out in front of me.
I kept right over to the right-hand side. If you notice, I kept over to the right-hand side.
You still pulled out in front of me. You should have let me go past.
Fucking going. You deliberately went in.
No, I was going at a standard speed.
I haven't even had a look yet to see if you...
No, I
Did
tapped.
you do it with your hand or...
I tapped it with my hand.
Don't fucking do it.
If
mate.
I'm so close,
You're a fucking idiot.
if I'm so close to you that I can touch you, you're too fucking close.
I kept over to the right-hand side and you fucking speeded up to come alongside me. I fucking
Watch the
saw
video
you.
on YouTube later,
Yeah,
mate.
you fucking idiot.
Watch the video on YouTube later.